Okay, first register your account. Okay, use this my referral link. This link you will find into the description of this video. Okay, this is my referral code, capital A, capital G, capital K, 3, capital K. During registration you must note this. Okay, if you will register your account using my this referral code, you will get my team bonus. Okay, and 6 level 100% referrals bonus and profits.
Welcome to each and every one of you. Today I am showing you the very important topic about RoyalQ Auto Robot Trading Fee. As you will see here, when I am opening my RoyalQ app, here is a message as showing here. RoyalQ balance is less than 5 USD. Why? Because my auto robot trading fee, okay, when I am clicking on mine, as you will see here, air is showing 4.7. This amount used for auto roboting trading fee. When I am getting any trade for profits, there is a minimum fee deduct on this amount assets. Okay, as you will see here, if I am clicking on OM, okay, after clicking on OM, now then click on revenue. After clicking on revenue, as you will see here, my total profits 19.90.63. These profits of approximately 25 days profits. Okay, on as you will see on showing here, but and my trading fee deduct here, and I have total deposited for trading fee. When I am clicking here assets, after clicking assets and see, when I am clicking here deposit, and when I am clicking here deposit details, I have total deposited for trading fee 9 USDT and 14 USDT. Okay, it means that I am total depositing for trading fee $24 and I gain $90 profit. Now I am again depositing only 20 USDT for trading fee. Okay, if you will not deposit, then if your amount will reach $2, then your auto robot tradings will stop, not trade for you. Okay, so I am depositing now 20 USDT for auto robot trading fee. Okay, to avoid to stop my trades. When this balance will reach $2, 2 USDT, my trades all stopped. Okay, okay, if I am clicking again assets, okay, now click here this icon. This with icon is settings. Okay, after clicking here, as you will see here, reminder limit, you can change the limit of. I have changed it 5 USD. When my okay auto robot trading fee will arrive 5 USDT, it will again and again reminder me when I am opening RoyalQ app, because I avoid to stop my trading. Okay, if this balance will reach 2 USDT, okay, then your trades will stop. So I have it here is already setting it 5 USD. Okay, it reminds me again and again. Okay, just click here to confirm it and it will be set. Now how to deposit? Just click here deposit. Okay, after clicking deposit, just click here copy address. Okay, as you will see here, network is TRC20 and copy address. Click here to copy. Now I am opening Binance app. Okay, I am using Binance Exchange. You can use any exchange, that's not problem. Okay, now just click here wallets. Okay, after clicking wallets, just click here to withdraw. Okay, after clicking withdraw, now select USDT or type here USDT. Okay, now paste this address. Okay, which you copy from here. Okay, long press it and paste here. It's automatically selected TRC20. Make sure network address is TRC20. Now type here. If I am typing 20 USDT, I have received 19 USDT. So I am typing here 21 USDT because 1 USDT is transaction fee, as you will see here. Okay, now just click here to withdraw. Okay, click here to confirm it. Okay, I am typing codes, then back again. Okay, after typing codes, just click here to submit. Okay, withdrawal was submitted successfully. Okay, it takes just 1 minute to complete your transaction. Now I am go back on RoyalQ app. Okay, okay, now just click here to back it. Okay, click here to back it. As you will see here, I have received 24 okay USDT, but I have deposited only 20 because 4 USDT already have my account. I have received only 20 USDT. Okay, in this way, because my I trades is going on. Okay, if I am not depositing, and if this amount okay would arrive or reach 2 USDT, then my trades stopped. Okay, so I'm deposit here 20 USDT in this way. Okay, you must be careful. Okay, otherwise your trades will stop. Okay, this auto robot trading fee. Okay, it will requires okay after 1 month or 2 months. Okay, it depends on your total trades ongoing. I hope you will understand okay how to deposit auto robot trading fee in this way. Okay, thanks.